and our hip roof. So this is a Dutch gable. You can see basically it's a hip roof with a very small, this is referred to as a gablet, or gablet, in the top here. So that's a Dutch gable. And the other one, which is similar to a Dutch gable, and they're quite often called Dutch gables, is a gambrel. Gamble's basically got half the height of the roof is the gable end, and half the height of the roof is the hip end. And this is the one I was talking to my American friend about. They call that the mansard I'm about to show you. They call that a gambrel. So going the other way around, we have a jerkin head roof. So the jerkin head roof has a flat end like our gable, but the very top of it's just been clipped off with to look like a hip end. Okay, and you might think you've never seen those around, but they, if you have a look, start having a look, you'll see them quite often. We then have what they call a bell cast, or it basically has two different pitches in the roof. Now the difference between the bell cast and the station, which is the next one I'm going to see. The station is quite often used with verandas, so this would be the roof over the veranda, whereas the bell cast, the actual roof is still over the main closed in part of the building. So that would be the difference with the bell cast and the station.